This is Donna Gray from Gray's Lake House Realty. This is my ranch where I have my animals. I'm just going to be quiet and let you listen to the creek. June 22nd, 2009. Donna Gray, Gray's Lake House Realty. Farm near Raccoon Lake. And this is my dog Tess. She's a sweetheart. You have a great day.